How to cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is simply go to settings. Now once you've done that, you'll have to tap on your name right over here. After that, you can see the option subscriptions right over here. So simply tap on it. Now once you've done that, it'll take some time to load up your subscription. So as you can see, I currently do not have any subscriptions with me, but if you have subscriptions you want to cancel, all you have to do is simply tap on your subscription over there and then you will see the option cancel subscription. So that was basically how you cancel any subscriptions on your iPhone if you have any. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.